Now to a major development in the trial of former city councilwoman Katrina Brown. A federal judge has just ruled that she can defend herself on more than 3 dozen charges, including fraud and money laundering for an alleged scheme involving a barbecue company. News 4 Jackson reporter Scott Johnson was in the courtroom. And Scott, the judge pleaded with Brown not to do this, right?
He did multiple times, but Brown, Kent, said over and over, I want to exercise my, quote, constitutional right to defend herself. And that's what she'll do here in federal court. Inside of court today, Brown lamented previous lawyers she had, saying one was too expensive and another just wasn't doing things she asked. The judge asked her multiple times since she made this decision earlier this week to not do this because Brown has no real legal background as a lawyer, citing her time on the city council as her only real experience with the law. But she says doing this herself gives her the best chance to lay out her case. I caught up with her leaving court, and she says she's handling this case what's called pro se, which means in one's own defense. Do you feel confident in your ability to handle this trial on your own?
Well, I went pro se. That was the purpose of me going pro se. So.
Do you have any concerns about representing yourself?
No, sir.
Do you worry about this? This is the first time you will have ever handled a trial at all, and now you're defending yourself, as the judge said, the most difficult decision of your life.
It's always a first for everything.
If she is convicted on all the counts for the absolute maximum, she could get a 720-year sentence and a bill forced to pay back more than $12 million. That's the absolute maximum. Jury selection still slated to start August 14th in less than 2 weeks. Brown saying she probably needs more time, but understands there have already been a lot of delays and says she'll be ready to argue her own case by the 14th, if need be. We're live downtown to the federal courthouse. Scott Johnson, Channel 4, the local station.